Welcome to Money Academy, your go-to destination for mastering the art of making money online. If you're curious about how AI is revolutionizing the earning landscape, you're in the right place. Imagine harnessing the power of free AI bots to create multiple income streams with little to no initial investment. In today's video, I'll guide you through 5 free AI bots that can set you on the path to financial freedom in 2025. So grab your notepad, and let's dive into the world of AI-powered income. AI bot number 1. ChatGPT. First on our list is ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI tool renowned for its content creation capabilities. Whether you're a freelance writer, blogger, or aspiring YouTuber, ChatGPT is here to save you time and ignite your creativity. How to make money. Offer content writing services. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find clients seeking engaging articles and marketing content. Start a blog. Generate high-quality articles to attract traffic, and monetize through ads and affiliate marketing. Focus on niches that interest you, and let AI fuel your content calendar. Create YouTube scripts. Break into the lucrative world of video content creation by using ChatGPT to script your videos, or start a cash cow YouTube channel where you automate the content creation process. Just imagine how much easier your writing workload could become with ChatGPT by your side. AI bot number 2. Leonardo.ai. Next up is Leonardo.ai, an innovative bot that creates stunning artwork and graphics. Whether you're into print-on-demand businesses, NFT art, or graphic design, this tool unlocks a world of creativity and profit. How to make money. Sell AI-generated artwork. Showcase your unique creations on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify. Customize products that resonate with your audience. Offer logo design services. With Leonardo.ai, you can create professional logos and offer your skills on Fiverr and Upwork, catering to startups and established businesses alike. Create and sell NFTs. Dive into the booming NFT marketplace. You don't need to be a seasoned artist. Leverage AI to produce art that can be valuable digital assets. Imagine turning your visual ideas into cash, all while having fun with your creativity. AI bot number 3. 11 Labs. Imagine this. Making money just by generating lifelike voiceovers. Welcome to 11 Labs, a free AI tool that crafts human-like voices perfect for various projects such as YouTube videos, audiobooks, and beyond. How to make money. Sell voiceover services. Join freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and start providing voiceover work tailored for businesses, creators, and more. Create and sell audiobooks. Use AI-generated narration to produce audiobooks that you can sell on platforms like Amazon Audible. Pair engaging stories with professional voiceovers. YouTube channel automation. Elevate your content with AI-generated voiceovers, making it seamless to run a YouTube automation channel without the heavy lifting. Turn your voice into a revenue stream without breaking a sweat. AI bot number 4. Replit. Ever wanted to build an app or website but thought coding wasn't for you? Meet Replit, an incredible AI-powered coding assistant that simplifies the coding process. This tool can write, debug, and optimize code for you. All for free. How to make money. Create and sell custom automation scripts. Help businesses streamline their operations with automation scripts tailored to their specific needs. Build and sell simple websites or mobile apps. Use Replit's capabilities to design functional websites or apps that cater to small businesses or entrepreneurs. Offer coding services. Even if you're a beginner, you can leverage Replit's features to take on coding gigs confidently and improve your skills along the way. With Replit, turning your ideas into digital reality is within reach. AI bot number 5. Opus Clip. Lastly, let's discuss Opus Clip, an inventive AI bot that transforms long videos into engaging short-form content instantly. If you're passionate about video editing, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, this tool will revolutionize your workflow. How to make money. Offer short-form video editing services. Utilize your editing skills to create captivating short videos for clients on Fiverr. Highlight their products or messages in a concise, engaging way. Start a faceless YouTube Shorts channel. Create a channel focused on trending topics. With Opus Clip, you can maximize content output and watch your channel grow. Repurpose old content. Breathe new life into your existing videos by creating short, viral clips perfect for social media monetization. Unlock the potential of your video content and watch your audience grow. So there you have it. 5 free AI bots that can empower you to make money online in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, artist, coder, voiceover artist, or video editor, these tools can help turn your unique skills and creativity into income streams with minimal effort. Which AI bot are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more genius money-making tips from Money Academy. If you're eager for even more AI-related money-making strategies, check out this next video right here.